CX210. Here we go, $9 here, $90 here now, $9 75,000. It's 75.50. 50,000. And now 50,000 out of 50, bid 35,000. Let's go. 35 out of 45 out of 55 down, 65 down, 75. And now 75. And now 75 down, 65 down, $78,000, 65, 70. And now 70,000. It's 70,000 out of down, 70 down, out of 65 bids. 70,000. $70,000. 70,000 now 67.5 is now 70,000 and now 70,000 down 70,000 67.5 down 70,000 67,500 David down 70,000 already got weighed in late at 67.5 last call in one 69,000 and now $9 David there to 67.5 down to get him 9 down 69 down $9 so $67,500 buyer number 449 the buyer 449 here's on number